Made it back to Tom and Ren's. Wonderful, gracious people that let us stay here in their barn and their home.
Can't drink the water here in South Carolina. Not out here by the pond, so we got to get our drink our own water. We bathe with it. We make coffee with it. We drink it.
There's some truth in that. We can't drink water out of the tap, which makes you fortunate to when you are in places that you can drink water out of your tap. So we bought water bottles because the last couple of times we were here, we were drinking a lot of the water. And look, there's my reflection. And can you see the back of my head? I don't know. Yeah, it's thinning back there. Yeah, not much you can do about it. It's just genetics. But we're gonna grab these waters. I'm gonna grab this guy here and take it on over. All right. Let's do this. On a recliner chair, editing my vlog 51 and getting in some smoothie action. Life is good.
Assessment as well. It's a good assessment.
Good assessment. Sean likes electronical puzzles. Here is Austin enjoying his smoothie action.
It's the best day ever.
Because it's the best day ever. We got young Frankenstein in the background. And Sean and Ryan are trying to work the sound system.
Yeah.
We're trying to get the surround sound going. It's good stuff, good times here in the casa of Tom and Ren. The sound has been figured out. It's been solved.
It's the best day ever.
Best day ever. Yeah. Another part, the best part of staying here is the snackage. Good stuff.
Is it that white chocolate or whatever yogurt? I don't know. It's good.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what it is.
Dangerous stuff. Keep out for now.
You're time lapsing. Water boy right now.
Not that time lapsing.
That would be so great. Time lapse the entire movie.
Basically, a sneak don't have
Just us
parts,
laughing every
but,
millisecond.
if I had to
Vlog moment. For real. Tate Cannon getting it done. And the fellows playing a little bit of the frisbee. And for some reason, everyone has to be shirtless.
Royce, take your shirt off.
I'm alright. Well, you know what this is. You can't see the smoke. Man, that stinks. Can't even see the smoke. Trying to show that we're barbecuing. I'll just tell you, we are barbecuing. Phillips family and Guevara family.
Oh, Trump's here.
Soccer game. USA versus Mexico. Viva Mexico. Mexico's gonna win.
USA! USA! Look at my stash! USA!
Mexico! Look at my beard!